physical literacy is as important as any other literacy or numeracy that students are expected to be exposed to and learn. Most importantly, that physical literacy is a learning concept. So like other aspects that teachers and educators are concerned with, what we're really looking at is how we educate the whole body and the whole student. So in that perspective, there are a lot of key aspects that need to come into play. What we do in the classroom, what we do in our breaks, how we engage students in all the facets that all the knowledge we expect them to learn. In terms of the research they need to be aware of, education is littered and at the sharp end of a lot of research that actually has very little impact on, or will have very little impact on, student learning. So I encourage, and what this lecture does is really encourage teachers and educators to be critical of that literature and show them what the evidence can and can't tell us. More importantly, it gives us a bit of a best buys. So if we're going to invest in physical literacy, what is it going to look like in terms of our practice? Because it's not just about providing physical activity breaks. It's not just about getting kids moving for the sake of getting them moving. It's around educating their body through movement.